This is 757. 757 Sony radio. REC play. Confirming from photo 757 in list. So this is 757. We have marked CFS. Confirm the photo. Now 737. Another big radio, huge radio. Model name and company name we have to see. This is National RX CW. Confirmed from list 737. So 737 model RX confirmed. Now we have got 738. Another big radio. Even the camera is not able to take into focus. Very high power radio. High power is written. 738. We have to see the model number. This is Sharp radio. A unique one we have got. High power radio. Confirming it from photo. 738. 738 Sharp. Model number is behind, that is QT2002, and confirmed from photo. Yeah, this one 738. Now 746. 746 Hitachi Super 3D woofer radio with graphic equalizer. 746 we have got, confirming from photo. 746 Hitachi TRK 3D 2W. So this is done. 746 confirmed. 754 now. This is high Boss radio, Boss Reflex, Sony from Sony. 754 Sony, confirming from photo. 754 Sony. Yes, it is confirmed. Now it is 741 twin cam aux X Boss radio, confirming it from photo. 741. This is Sharp company radio WQ, confirmed from photo. 741. This is done, confirmed. 741. Moving on to 743. 743 is Sharp radio again, and confirming the model number from photo. 743 Sharp WQ T2BK. 743 done. Moving on to 755 now. This is Thomson radio. Thomson. So we have to confirm from photo. 755. Yeah, this is this is 755 Thomson TM471, confirmed from photo. Yeah, it is same, so confirm. Next is 753. We have got Philips radio, one touch recording, full auto, confirming the photo and model number. 753. This is Philips 753 Technoclized bomb radio. So 753 done. Moving on to 759 now. Philips radio again, 40 watt PMPO DR425 is the model number. 759 DR425, as you can see. 759 Philips DR425, confirm. 745 is Sharp radio, two-way stereo out system, confirming from this Sharp radio. 745 is Sharp radio. This is Sharp 745. There is a printing mistake, Sharp is written. It is Sharp 329Z, confirming from photo. So this is confirmed. 745 done. 756 we have got, confirming from photo. 756 model number, 756 National CDS 808. Confirm from photo, it is done. 756. 752 is Philips radio DR483. Confirming from list 752. 752 Philips. So 752 Philips DR483, it is done. 752 is done. 758 now. RR663. 758. So 758 RR663. 758 RR663, it is done now. So we have completed these radios. We will move on with next. Now we have more radios, more big radios kept down. This is 732 Philips radio, powerhouse radio, very big one. 240, 732 240. Confirming from list 732 240. Yeah, this is 732 phone house 240. This is confirmed. 732 confirmed. 727 Akai radio, Akai MX 150 is the model number. 727 is Akai 727 MX 150, MX 150. So this is 727 MX 150 Akai, confirmed. 724 I think we have already done, or we will see. 724, yes, 724 25 we have done. Now moving on with 749. 749 is Bush 6700. So confirming from list 749, we have to see. 749, yes, Bush MX 6700 is confirmed. 749 done. 767 is Philips SER View server. Confirming from list 767 Philips. 767 is, yes, Philips DR 768. Philips DR 768. Confirming from photo, it is confirmed. 767. 768 is 50 watt radio. Confirming from photo, 768. Yes, 768 Bush TCR. It is the same photo. Confirm. 768. 770 is Sony. 770 is Sony radio. Confirming from list 770 big radio. No, another one. 770, yes, it is Sony CFS. So it is confirmed from photo as well. 749 we have done. And now moving on to the lower ones. 769 we see is Sharp radio, 25 watt, 25 watt PMPO, QT94. 769 is Sharp QT. This is 769 Sharp QT94 confirmed. 766 QT88. So 766 Sharp. So this is confirmed. 760 Sharp QT88 confirmed. 760 is Sharp metal radio. 760. So 760 Sharp metal radio, confirming from photo. This one is the 768 no 760 GF 500Z confirmed from photo. 760. So this one is 751 confirming from photo. 751 Sanyo metal MVW, so it is confirmed already. 751 we have done. So we have to see which radio it is. This is 763 we have to confirm. 763 we have to see which radio it is. 763 Philips DR959. This is done, confirmed. 763. Now we have Sharp WQ-T251 as 764 confirming. 764 763 764 we are confirming. It should be Sharp W. So this is 764 Sharp WQ-T251, yes, confirmed. 764 confirmed. So we are done with this rack. Moving on to 773 now. 773 is Philips counter 0 reset. 773 radio confirming from photo. 773 Philips counter 0, this is confirmed. 773. So 774 should be Sharp KSW. 774 QT77 is the model. Sharp 774 Sharp QT77. 774, this one is 774 Sharp QT77 is the model. 177. 774 is done. 772 is Sanyo radio. So we will confirm it from list. 772. So 772 is Sanyo. Yes, 772 is Sanyo and confirmed from photo. Confirmed. 774 we have got. 774 we have already confirmed. QT77. This is 775. Confirm it. National 775 RX49. Bring this here. 775 RX49. 775 RX49. This is done. 775 done. So behind this we have 765 Sharp radio. Confirming from photo. 765 Sharp radio. Big one. Other one we also have Sharp, but they are smaller ones. 765 is Sharp one. 765 Sharp GF. So this is done. Confirm. 765. Now we have got one more radio under this. This is 771. Video graphic 771. And this is National Radio 5 band, confirming it from photo. 771 National 5 band radio. 771 National 5 band radio. 771 National 5 band radio. 771 National RX4S confirmed from photo. This is 771 done. So in this line we have almost completed. 744 is another 3D super woofer radio Hitachi. So 744 from list, confirming from list. 744 is this. 744 Hitachi, yes, TRK, confirmed. 744. Another one we have 747. 747. This is 747 Videocon radio. As you can see, karaoke system is also there. 747 confirmed from photo. 747 Videocon radio confirmed. 779 is auto reverse FW29. 779 FW29 779. So 779 is FW29 779 national FW. This is here 779. This is here 779 FW29 confirm. 744 we have done. 776 videographic. 776 Sanyo radio confirming from list. 776 Sanyo confirmed. We have 761 here. 761. This is another big radio, huge one. So, no, even the camera is not able to capture it. 761 sharp radio it is. This is sharp radio. Confirming from list. 761 sharp. So this is 761 sharp. This is 761 sharp radio GF. So these now 750 we have got the biggest one more big radio. This is even the camera is not able to capture this much width. It has 750 is Trident radio. Trident FM stereo MWSW 4 band radio. Very big metal radio. So confirming is DAMS. Model is DAMS. Confirming it 750. Take. So we will list 750. Trident radio confirmed. So 750 we have done. 750 also we have done. We have completed this. 780 this one. Thomson radio. 780 Thomson radio unique one. XB model. 780 confirming from list. 780 Thomson confirmed. 780 Thomson confirmed. Now we have got. We will check how many we have done in 70 range. So in list, keep videographing the list. So 728, 29 are remaining. 736 is remaining. 30 is remaining. So we will be searching those radios. I think have we done 723 etc. or not? 723 etc. have been done. So searching for other radios. Pause the video. So 728 is concerned. Boss surround BPL radio. Confirming it. 728 consult. 729 should be Philips Boss, and this is here. 729 Philips Boss AZ2150. This is really huge radio, very big radio. So 729 AZ2150 Boss Philips 729 AZ215 215 is the model number. AZ2150, yes, is the model number. So 728 and 29 are done. We will see more which all are remaining. 730 is remaining. Searching for this. Pause the video. So 730 is here. Aura Boss Sport Radio. 730 confirming from list. 720 we have done this all. 730 is, yes, this is Aura. 730 Aura Boss Sport. So now we have to search for 736. 736 where it is. 736 should be Videocon. 742. So pause the video and we will. Now 791 is National Panasonic. Again a bulky radio, very much bulky. This one is unique, clearly seen. We don't have any other radio resembling like this, so confirming it. 791 so 791 National RX 5255F, confirming from photo. 5255F 791, confirmed, marking in the list now. 791, so I have marked it. 791 is marked. Moving on to next. 799 is this National Panasonic and 4-band radio, unique one. 799 and list now. 799 is this, and this is the photo seen as 799 and National Panasonic RQ55TS. This is National Panasonic, clearly visible, so this is confirmed. So 799 marked. Moving on to 794, this is Bomb Beat DR02 Toshiba radio. 794, so confirming from the list. So confirming the model DR02 794 Toshiba RT1705. This is the photo. The model name is wrong written, it should be DR02, writing it. So this we have got 794 confirmed, DR02 done. 794. 788 we have Akai unique radio, 2-way speaker out. This is very huge radio, so confirming it. Akai 788 in list. This is 788 Akai, confirmed. AJ 480 and confirming from the photo. Yes, this is the photo and this is the actual radio, so this is confirmed. Now this is 783. We have somehow taken it out. Very huge, very bulky radio. Let us check which company it belongs to and what is the model number. And this is National RX 039P 783, confirming from list. List is this 783. I have to search in the list, turning the pages. Yes, 783 we already had got it confirmed. 039P5 9P5. Yes, 783 done. Now this is 797 Philips DR579, confirming from list. DR579. So this is Philips 797 Philips DR569. This is DR569 797. We have to edit the number. This is 579. We have written 569, so we shall be editing it 579. This is 579. Next, moving on to 740. 740 is Videocon FM with stereo. So this is tape 1 and model number is VSX 475. So 740 confirmed in the list. VSX 475 done. 731 is JVC, another huge, humongous radio, very heavy, hyper-boss sound, 3D surround, and the model number is PCV33. So confirming 731. This is 731. We have confirmed in list PCV33. Now this is 792, another national radio, big radio, ambience stereo with mic and 4-band FM AM stereo radio. 792 is the number, confirming it in the list from photo. So this is it, 792. 792 national. RX 5255F. Done. So this is 739 another big radio, Philips. So two-way stereo and condenser microphone. Confirming it from the list. 739 photo. 739. I have to turn the pages. So this is 739 Philips D88623 and this is the photo. So it is confirmed. Confirming this is Sharp radio visual sound. Confirming from the list BDAC 735 big radio. So this is 735. We have done Sharp QT65. Confirming the photo. Done. This was it. 735. Confirm.